The centre today placed a list of names of 627 Indian account holders in HSBC Bank, Geneva, in Black Money case before the Supreme Court, which asked SIT to go through the list and take appropriate action in accordance with law. A bench headed by Chief Justice H.L. Dattu did not open the sealed envelope containing the names placed by the centre and said that it would be opened only by chairman and the vice chairman of the Supreme Court appointed special investigation team. It asked the SIT to submit status report of its probe by November end. Placing the documents before the bench, Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi said that details of account holders are of year 2006, which were supplied by the French government to the centre in 2011. He said that the data was stolen from HSBC Bank in Geneva, which later reached France, from where the government got the information. He said the sealed envelope contained 3 documents: government's correspondence with French government, list of names and a status report. He also informed the court that some people have accepted that they have accounts in foreign banks and have paid tax. The bench, also comprising Justices Ranjana Prakash Desai and Madan B. Lokar, allowed the centre to put forth its grievances regarding various treaties with foreign countries before SIT. The bench said that the chairman and the vice chairman of SIT are former Supreme Court judges and they are not laymen, and they can decide on various issues arising out of black money probe. We will send the entire list to SIT and they can proceed in accordance with law. It is for them to take care of how to conduct future probe, the bench said. Meanwhile, the apex court did not allow the plea of AAP chief Arvind Kejriwal to provide additional information on the issue to the SIT, saying that it will be considered his plea on the next date of hearing on December 3rd. The centre in its affidavit of October 27th had disclosed 8 names, including that of Pradeep Burman, one of Dabur India promoters, a bullion trade and Goa miners against whom it has started prosecution for allegedly stashing black money, saying that all the names of account holders cannot be disclosed unless there is a prima facie evidence of wrongdoing. Rejecting the centre's stand, the Supreme Court had yesterday ordered it to disclose all the names of Indian bank account holders abroad in a sealed envelope. Rajkot-based billion trader Pankaj Chimanlal Lodhia and Goa-based mining company Tumlo Private Limited and its 5 directors were among the names that figured in the list, which was filed in the apex court by the government.